How to cancel Whoop membership. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can cancel your Whoop membership. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to Whoop website, that is whoop.com. After that, log into your Whoop account on their website. Once you're logged in, from the menu, select membership. Now scroll down and click or tap on Cancel Membership. Once you have done it, confirm the cancellation by selecting Continue and then choose Turn Off and Pay to complete the process. Once cancelled, you will retain access to your data until the end of the current billing cycle. Note that memberships are not refundable, and if you're on a multi-month plan, you will still be responsible for the remainder of the contract. If you're not ready to cancel entirely, you also have the option to pause your membership instead. So that's the way to cancel Whoop membership. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.